Home remedy for yeast infection. Yeast infections can truly be a nuisance and a cause for worry. Having growths on your body in the most compromising of body regions can be a painful and embarrassing experience. Caused by the overgrowth of Candida fungus, yeast infection produces a variety of unpleasant effects. A yeast infection is usually characterized by skin rashes and itching. When the infection occurs in the genital area, urination as well as sexual intercourse becomes painful and uncomfortable. A white cottage cheese-like discharge may also be secreted during the infection. However, because the symptoms of yeast infection are shared by other diseases, such as bacterial infections and sexually transmitted diseases, it is advised that the person should seek medical attention once these symptoms are experienced. Once it is confirmed that the symptoms exhibited are due to a yeast infection, a course of treatment for recovery can already be planned. Fortunately, various forms of home remedy for yeast infection are readily available. One of the first things someone afflicted with a yeast infection would feel is severe itchiness. You can deal with the itchiness at home by following these tips. Place an ice pack over the affected area, or bathe in cool water for at least 10 minutes to get some relief. Aloe vera is also an effective source of relief for the pain and itching associated with a yeast infection. Various antifungal medications can be purchased over the counter in drugstores. Antifungal creams that contain clotrimazole are deemed effective in controlling most types of yeast infection. Applying these creams is recommended during bedtime as it allows the medication to take effect more efficiently. This should be done consistently to eliminate the infection at the soonest possible time. An additional tip would be the consumption of foods that possess good microorganisms such as yogurt. These microbes, particularly Lactobacillus acidophilus, help in restoring the natural balance of organisms in the vaginal area. Yogurt can also be used as a vaginal swab. The bacteria in yogurt help reduce the number of Candida fungi in the affected area. Oral medications can also be taken to eliminate fungi, but these are not recommended for the use of pregnant women. A factor in selecting what home remedy for yeast infection should be used is the area where the infection takes place. Some forms of treatments are only applicable in specific areas of the body. Also, the condition of the patient, for example if the patient is a child or a pregnant woman, must also be taken into consideration. When treated properly, yeast infections can actually be dealt with right within the comfort of your home. Ever thought of curing your yeast infection permanently, once and for all? If so, visit www.cureyeastinfectionholistically.com for more free videos that will reveal to you a clinically researched system that will eliminate yeast infection for good.